Hello guys, my name is Phil, and I'm making my first video, and I'm deciding to make it about, well, paper airplanes. I like making paper airplanes and I like gaming. So I'm deciding to do an airplane called the Glider. The Glider is the airplane that comes from far away, originally from China. It went from, well, technically that's the story of the real plane, but I'm reading it on the computer. Okay, so here's a plain piece of paper, yellow. Put it vertically. And put it horizontally. And then fold all the way. Wait, I have to do it right now. All the way. And the crease good. Okay. Now, since I'm done with that, we're just gonna make two nice folds, just like this. Just like this. Nice, right? Okay. Crease good so it won't stick up, so the plane won't be really that big of a mess. Then once that's complete, you're going to want to bring it down. And then you should have it like this. Bring to, well, I'll show you on the instructions because I'm not really good at doing this part. Okay, you should see the instructions and I'll be done with it. I'll be done with the thing by now. Okay, so as you can see, it's a beginner item. It's not so hard. Just I don't really like doing this part. So yeah, so technically I'll just keep on doing it. My computer shut off because I have a Mac. Oh, you guys still could hear me though. Yeah. Okay. Then, okay, turning back to me. Then I have this kind of shape. Once I'm done with that, I'll bend this part up. That's gonna make it nice. And it should look like this. Remember, crease every part really good. Because actually, it's very important, this part. Because, well, it's not very important. It's annoying if you don't do it right. It's gonna keep on sticking up and stuff. Okay, so now since we're up to this part, you're just gonna want to bend back just like that. Same horizontal line that you did in the beginning. Should look like this. Okay, I'm gonna give you some time to keep on doing it. Good, yeah. So then, once you're done with that, you should fold it back, not back a bit, just like that. Well, make the wings. Well, the wings are the most important part of any paper airplane. First of all, it won't fly without wings. Second of all, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna throw it right now. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I'm here. Let's see. I'm gonna throw this and you should see how good it flies. Well, technically, the other part was cool. So, okay. Okay, so that's it, guys. There's your tutorial. So, bye. My name's Phil. Bye.